Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Microsoft Excel Stdole32.tlb error in Windows. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey classes root. Right-click Excel Chart 8, click Permission. Select all application packages, click Add. Type everyone, click Check Names. Click OK. Check Full Control and Red. Click Apply. Click Advanced. Click Change. Type everyone, click Check Names. Click Apply, OK. Click OK. Close and exit Registry Editor. Second method is, Open File Explorer. This PC, C drive. Program files x86. Common files. Microsoft Shared. Office 12. Open Office Setup Controller. Rename to Temp Setup. Close and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.